Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I want to go ahead and give you a refresher course on using this Gorilla brand duct tape as an emergency fire starter. I had a subscriber contact me last month saying that he couldn't get it to ignite, and I asked him if he tore it into small strips and then tried to Ferro Rod ignite it. He said he could get it to smoke but not to ignite. So I'm just simply going to tear off about 12 inches of this and then take and tear that into like 1/8 inch pieces, loosely bundle it up, ignite it, and then put it in a log cabin fire lay. This is some white oak that Helene knocked down a couple months ago. Let's just go ahead and process this up and make a log cabin fire lay and see just exactly what this emergency fire starter can do. We'll try to use that for a baton. And let's put a little platform, a little floor across here. Tear it into 1/8 inch strips. If you'll notice, when you grab that tape, once you squeeze down on these, this naturally just wedges it, just pulls it apart. And if you don't know that technique, it can be difficult to make it tear. Alright, we're going to loosely bundle this together. Check the spine of your knife. Make sure it's sharp enough. That feels sharp enough to make hot enough sparks to ignite this. Let's try that. And it's a windy day. When this is first trying to fire up, it's easily blown out, so just be patient with it. I see a flame. And if the wind doesn't blow it out, let's ignite it right here where it's still loose, uncompacted. When you're in the wind, you just do the best you can. Alright y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. if your wood is wetter than what you thought it was, it's okay to drop another 12 inches in on it. A little bit of alcohol, take all that residue off of there.